Hello, bird experts. Today we're going to be comparing and contrasting two of the stories that we've read so far in our new unit. Now, one of those stories is The Lion and the Bird. The other story is Pierre the Penguin. Now, you might be wondering, what does it mean to compare and contrast? I'm going to tell you. So to compare means to find similarities between two or more objects. To contrast means to find differences between two or more objects. So let me give you an example, friends. So when I'm comparing, and let's say I'm thinking about school and home, something you're all very familiar with. So you might say that you eat snacks at school and home. That's something that is similar about being at school and being at home. You might also say that you have adults that care about you at school and home, because that is something that is similar about both of those places. Now, when you contrast school and home, you might say that you can sleep at home, but you can't sleep at school. Or you can wear your regular clothes at home, but you can't wear your regular clothes at school unless there's a dress down day, which is, not the norm. You normally wear your uniform. So that is a way to contrast the two. So remember, comparing is to find similarities, things that are the same. And contrasting means to find things that are different. Okay? So today we're going to compare and contrast The Lion and the Bird and Pierre the Penguin. So I want you to think about, what was the problem in the stories, in both of the stories, The Lion and the Bird and Pierre the Penguin. So let's focus on what was the problem in The Lion and the Bird. Right. Bird was wounded, so he couldn't fly south for the winter with the other birds. Okay. Now, what about the problem in Pierre the Penguin? Yeah, Pierre lost his feathers. He didn't have any feathers. So all the other birds treated him differently. And he was also cold. So when you think about the problems in both of those stories, The Lion and the Bird and Pierre the Penguin, what is the similarities between their problems? Well, we know that the bird in Lion and the Bird couldn't fly away for the winter, so he was cold because it was winter and he couldn't fly away. And then we also know that in Pierre the Penguin, he was cold because he didn't have any feathers. Okay, so that's something that is the same. That's something that we can compare about in those two texts about our characters. Now I want you to think about, how were the bird helpers, or the characters, the actual birds, how were their experiences similar in the two stories? Right, in The Lion and the Bird, the lion put bird in his mane to keep him warm. Now, what about the bird helper and Pierre the Penguin? Yep, the biologist Pam, she made Pierre a wetsuit to keep him warm. Okay, so that's how we compare. Those are things that are the same about the two stories. Now, I want you guys to think about what's different about the two stories. And that's what you're going to be doing independently today. You're going to be contrasting The Lion and the Bird and Pierre the Penguin. And remember, contrast means finding differences. So we already found the similarities today together, and now you're going to find the differences on your own. Okay? So if you forgot some of the details from our story, you can always go back on our YouTube page and look at the videos of the story, The Lion and the Bird and Pierre the Penguin, or go back into the older PowerPoints to find those videos. Okay? So I want you to use your resources, use the videos if you need to refresh your memory about the story. And then also just think about what is different about those two texts. I can't wait to see you guys' work.